In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the background and body colors of your email campaign for a more polished and branded look. Whether you're creating a new email from scratch or tweaking an existing one, adding a personal touch with your choice of colors can make a big difference in how your message is perceived by your audience. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to create a new email campaign or open an existing one within your email marketing platform. Particularly if you want your message to stand out, choosing the right template from the start is essential. Most platforms offer a variety of ready-made templates tailored for different purposes, so feel free to explore these options and pick one that aligns with the tone and content of your message. Once you have your email template ready to go, locate and click on the Styles button in the editor. This is where much of the magic happens, as it allows you to customize your design's visual aspects. You'll likely see a couple of options here, including a tab labeled Desktop and sometimes another for Mobile, which is essential for ensuring that your email looks just as great on smaller devices. In this styling area, search for the Email drop-down or section. This is your gateway to enhancing the email's aesthetic appeal. Here, you'll find the options to set both the default background and body colors of your email. Selecting the right colors is crucial, as it can influence the reader's focus and mood. Consider your brand colors, or choose shades that complement the message and purpose of your email. You can choose your colors in several ways, whether it's using a color picker, entering a specific hex code, or selecting from a pre-saved palette. If you're using a brand color, make sure to input the exact hex code to keep your branding consistent across all your communications. As you make your choice, you'll notice that the canvas updates in real time, providing a handy preview of how your email will appear once it lands in your subscribers' inboxes. This live preview is very useful for making sure your selected colors look good together and that text is easily readable. And there you have it. With these simple adjustments, you can give your email campaign a visual flair that resonates with your audience and represents your brand effectively. Remember that a well-designed email is not just about aesthetics, but also about enhancing readability and engagement. So take your time experimenting with these options until you find a combination that works best. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.